One milestone after another, Spotify Camp Nou continues to evolve at an incredible pace. This week, several areas have taken another major step forward, with ceramic louvers spreading across the facade, the compression ring advancing closer to another key milestone, and more structural work disappearing as the stadium begins to reveal its final look. There are some exciting developments throughout today's tour, so let's get straight into the latest construction update. One of the biggest visual changes can now be seen at the north goal corner, where ceramic louver installation continues to expand rapidly. The first section has already been completed, creating a much more finished appearance, while only a small temporary opening has been left for ongoing work. Another truck loaded with ceramic louvers has also arrived on site, providing enough material to continue covering the lower inclined ceiling of the corner. With deliveries arriving continuously and installation progressing at a strong pace, this area is quickly becoming one of the most advanced facade sections of the stadium. The compression ring has now advanced further into the Tribuna section, bringing the northern and southern sides closer to their eventual connection. Additional radial beams, support pillars, and temporary shoring structures have already been assembled, allowing crews to focus primarily on installing the remaining steel box segments. With much of the supporting framework already prepared, the pace of compression ring installation is expected to increase significantly over the coming weeks. The south goal facade has moved another step closer to receiving its ceramic louvers. Workers have now installed almost all of the steel support brackets across this section, with the upper, middle, and lower rows nearly complete. Only a small number of supports remain unfinished, meaning this area is now entering the final preparation stage. The next major task will be installing the anchoring system onto these brackets, allowing the ceramic louvers to be fitted and bringing the south goal facade much closer to its finished appearance. Progress around the south goal mobility core continues steadily. Interior construction is largely complete after the installation of the internal sandwich panels, while crews are now focusing on the exterior. Some scaffolding still remains in place as workers complete the final structural and finishing tasks, but the area is clearly being prepared for the installation of the exterior sandwich panels. Once the remaining scaffolding is removed, the outer facade should begin taking shape quickly. Construction activity remains constant on the second cantilever above the south goal. Several aerial work platforms were operating throughout the structure as crews transported materials and continued installation work across the upper steel framework. These ongoing operations show that multiple finishing tasks are progressing simultaneously before the next major construction phase begins. Large numbers of ceramic louvers have now been delivered and positioned beside the south goal mobility core, confirming that facade installation is approaching. The protective rolled coverings previously stored in this area have now been installed, while only a few steel beams still require their final coat of paint. With materials already on site and preparation work almost complete, this section appears ready to become one of the next areas where ceramic louver installation begins. Work continues around the lateral mobility core as crews carefully align the facade anchoring system using suspended guidelines from the upper structure. Installation teams are also carrying out sealing and finishing work around the mobility core, while multiple aerial platforms remain active throughout the area. These precise alignment operations will ensure the future facade elements are installed accurately. Work on this diamond structure is now focused on the remaining corner sections. The reinforced corner columns are still enclosed in formwork after the steel reinforcement was completed, while the rest of the diamond structure has already reached its full height. These corner elements are either awaiting their final concrete pour or simply waiting for the formwork to be removed after the concrete has fully cured. Inside one of the mobility cores, engineers and technical staff were seen carrying out a detailed inspection of the completed structural work. These inspections are an important step before moving into the next construction phase, ensuring that all completed installations meet the required standards before exterior finishing continues. The lateral corner mobility core continues moving through its preparation phase. Temporary access systems remain in place while crews complete work around the facade supports. Steel beam painting is still progressing, And although the louver anchoring system has not yet been installed in this section, the overall structure is steadily advancing toward the next stage of exterior finishing. Only limited visible changes were observed around the north goal during this update. Construction activity continues across the area, while the previously installed ceramic louvers remain unchanged. Materials are still positioned throughout the site, allowing crews to continue work efficiently as the next phases of facade installation approach. Large quantities of ceramic louvers remain stored throughout the north goal, ready for future installation across the remaining facade sections. Additional construction materials and installation components are also positioned nearby, allowing work to continue without interruption. Recently installed louvers still retain their protective plastic coverings, while earlier completed sections have already had these protective films removed as finishing work progresses. The mobility core at the north goal corner continues moving toward its exterior finishing phase. After receiving its protective coatings, the structure is now being prepared for the installation of exterior sandwich panels. Meanwhile, the dedicated crane for handling ceramic louvers remains positioned nearby, ready to support the next stage of facade installation as work continues to accelerate. The smaller lateral diamond has made remarkable progress. Nearly the entire upper floor has now been covered with decking panels installed over the temporary shoring system. Numerous workers were active across the deck, removing temporary fittings and preparing the structure for the next construction phase. The completed diamond is larger than originally expected and features a distinctive roof geometry compared to the other diamonds. Construction across the Tribuna stand continues on multiple fronts. Interior finishing work remains active, while mobility cores are steadily being enclosed with sandwich panels. Service conduits are also being installed along the front edge of the cantilever, and several aerial work platforms continue supporting crews across different areas of the structure. Overall, the Tribuna stand is showing consistent progress as both structural and architectural works move forward together. The exterior diamond has officially entered its architectural finishing stage. Workers have started installing the first steel brackets that will support the future glass facade, while the first door frame has also been fitted into position. At the same time, exterior wall surfaces have been smoothed and prepared for their final finishes, marking another important milestone as these structures transition from heavy construction to facade installation. Alongside the facade work, crews continue installing the utility pipe network beneath the north goal corner. The pipeline now extends across most of this section toward the Tribuna, with only a short remaining section left to complete. These services are an important part of the stadium's infrastructure before the exterior ceiling is fully enclosed. Overall, construction activity remains strong across every major section of Camp Nou. Ceramic louver installation continues to expand rapidly. Mobility cores are steadily approaching their final exterior stages, and the compression ring keeps advancing toward the Tribuna. With multiple facade systems progressing simultaneously, the stadium is becoming more complete week after week, and several key construction milestones are expected in the near future.